Y'all, these videos are going to be the death of me. I think the math one uploaded to Google Classroom. So I'm doing a second math one. I'm very sorry. I'm going to have to fly through it. My last video was 22 minutes. I cannot do that. So anyways, here's my second math one. If you can get it on Google Classroom, the first one, I did every problem. This one, I'm only going to be able to do a few. So click pause because I'm going to have to fly, okay? I love you to pieces, and I'm very sorry. I'm hoping this helps y'all. Okay, all right, there we go. Okay, here we go. I'm on 21 to 40. 21 to 40, I'm only going to be able to do a few of them with you. Click pause if you need to stop, okay? Remember, when we are adding and subtracting decimals, we line up the decimal, okay? Line that decimal up, okay? I'm going to zoom that in so you can see that. When adding and subtracting the decimal, line that decimal up. So I'm going to do the first example with you, and it's 39 and 5/100. And I'm adding, because it says combined, you're going to, read these a little more carefully. 56 and 7/10. Okay, and so when I do not have a place, I put a place holder of 0. Remember that? And then you keep that decimal, y'all, I'm so sorry, I'm in a hurry, lined up. And then you just add. And so you should have your answer as 95 and 75/100, which will give you D. I'm going to do 2 or 3 and then keep on moving, okay? All right, it says Matt's winning time at the 200-meter sprint was 26 and 3/100. Ryan's time was greater, so I'm going to add, greater meaning add, and 45. Line that decimal up, y'all, and then just add 8, 4, 6, 2. Box in your answer so that you can see them. 26 and 48/100 is C. All right, let's do 24 together. It says, what is 7 and 3/10? Take away 4 and 82/100. Now notice I've lined up my decimal. I'm adding or subtracting. I'm going to put 0 as a placeholder there. Okay, then I subtract. Can I say 0 take away 2? No, y'all, no, I cannot. I have 0, you cannot have 2, okay? So I borrow. That's now 10 take away 2 is 8. Can I say 2 take away 8? No, borrow. Now it's 12. Now I have 2 and 48/100 gives you A. I'm zoomed in so far you can't even see my answer choices. A, okay? So y'all, line that decimal up, okay? Turn the page. I have to do quickly, y'all. I'm so sorry. My videos are killing me. All right, let's go down to 26. 93 and 8/100. Take away 2 and 6/10. Okay, I've lined my decimal up. See it right there? I'm going to put 0 as a placeholder there. 8 take away 0 is 8. I cannot say 0 take away 6. I borrow. That gives me 4, 0, 9. Box in your answer, y'all. 90 and 48/100. Remember, click pause if I'm going too fast, okay? I'm going to skip down to 31 because these are pretty easy, y'all. Line up your decimal. Line up the decimal, okay? I'm going to say that 50 million times to you this year. All right, skip down to 31. Now we are multiplying. And when you multiply first, then move your decimal. Remember, write these notes, y'all. You know how I am. Write these notes. All right, and so when you multiply first and then move your decimal. When you're adding and subtracting, you line up your decimal. Okay. It says she got 12 iced teas. Each one cost $1.72. Remember, think of decimals as money. You know your money, okay? Do 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 7 is 14. Put down my 4, carried my 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Cross off everything you've used. And remember, after you cross off that number, put you an arrow. The number of arrows tells you the number of placeholders. I've got 1 arrow. I have 1 placeholder. All right, 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. Add that up. I have 2,064, but it's not 2,064. I go and count my places after each decimal. There's 2 here. There's not a decimal here. So there's 2 places. So I come in 2 places this way. Now you have 20 and 64 hundredths, or $20.64, and it's closest to C. All right, turn your page. Okay, let's do number 33. Okay, 33, y'all. All right, 33. When we multiply decimals this way, we go down first and sideways second. Down first, sideways second. So here's my down. There are 1, 2, 3 of them. And each one is worth 25. So let's think quarters. 25, 50, 75. So it's 75 cents. And then I'm going to go sideways. And I have 1 quarter sideways. So I'm going to times it by 25 cents. And remember, for those of you in my class, where they cross right here is your answer. But we don't need an answer. We just need the problem today. And it's D. Okay? Let's go down to 35. It says a group of 63 first graders are going on a field trip. Each ticket costs $9.25. Remember, each ticket. And of is also a word. Of these students, that means we're going to times. Remember? All right, and then we're going to times it by 63. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 3 times 9 is 27. Cross off everything. Put that placeholder. That arrow tells you how many placeholders. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. 6 times 9 is 54, plus 1 is 55. All right, now I'm going to count my placeholders after a decimal. I have 1, 2. That's the only one. Then I go into, I have $582.75 D. Okay? All right? I'm sorry, y'all. I can't help you do all of these. My time is so limited. Time is so limited. Okay. Right here, this says these that trip y'all up. He paid $982.27 each month. So I know I'm timesing. And there are 12 months in a year. Okay? So 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 8 is 16. Put down my 6 and carry my 1. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Y'all, I know I'm going fast. Click that pause button. Cross off everything I've used. Put a placeholder. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 9 is 9. Add it up. 4, 12, 7, 8, 17, 11. Now, I'm counting my places after decimal. There are 2. So you should have $11,787.24. D. Okay? All right, y'all. Let's go through the 37. You're going to times it. Okay? We're working with multiplying. This one, each month. So we're going to times it by 12 because there are 12 months in a year. Okay? All right? I hope this has helped. I'm sorry, y'all. My last video was 22 minutes and it will not upload for some reason. I'm very, very sorry. I'm going to try my best to keep them under 10, 11 minutes. I love y'all. I miss you. Please comment. Let me know if you have questions. Please click the pause button. I don't mean to rush you. You know that. Okay? I love you.